Hello, everyone. I'm going to be doing a video today on constructivism. So the constructivist approach to learning. So today, with my kiddo, I'm going to do a number of the day. And as you see, we have chose the number of the day to be 12. But first, before I begin my lesson, I want to talk about two major goals of constructivism. So two major goals of constructivism are students should develop multiple math structures so they're capable of solving a variety of math problems that are meaningful. Students should become self-motivated in their math activity, in their learning, right? Knowledge is created by the child. So everything that I'm going to do today is very hands-on with the child, and they are figuring out the answers in their learning. All right, so my kiddo has some trouble with multiplication. So I decided to do a lesson today using magnets. So I don't have magnets, but for today's lesson, I'm just going to draw representing the magnets. But if I were in person with the kiddo, they would have a whiteboard and they would have magnets and they would have a dry erase board to help them. So our number of the day is 12. So first I would ask the child, and I would say, what two numbers multiplied together make 12? And I would hope they would say 4 times 3 equals 12. Then I would ask them, what does this mean? What does 4 times 3 mean? Well, 4 times 3 means 4 groups of 3. Right? So then I would say, can you create 4 groups of 3 using your magnets? But for the purpose of this activity today, I'm going to draw 4 groups of 3. And I'm going to use circles to represent the magnets that the child would have. So this is what the child should represent with the magnets, 4 groups of 3. And if we count, it should equal 12. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And so we got to 12. Now, what I would ask the child is, you know that 4 times 3 equals 12. What else equals 12? What other two numbers equal 12? And I would hope that they would say 3 times 4 equals 12. And they would say, Mrs. T, isn't that the same thing? Well, yeah, it is the same thing, but we are flipping the numbers. So yes, it's the same thing and we get to the same sum, but we're flipping the numbers. So are our groups going to look different? Yes, our groups are going to look different. So then I would ask, what will our groups look like? So our groups will look like 3 groups of 4 instead of 4 groups of 3. So then I would say, can you create 3 groups of 4 with your magnets? So we're going to create 3 groups of 4. And I'm going to do that right now on my board. 3 groups of 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. All right. Can you think of anything else that equals 12? What other two numbers equals 12? 6 times 2 equals 12. And what does this say? What does 6 times 2 mean? It means 6 groups of 2. So we're going to draw 6 groups of 2. So can you use your magnets to show me what 6 groups of 2 looks like? And I'm going to do the same thing. So here are my 6 groups of 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we got to our answer of 12. All right. Then I would tell the child, so 1 times 12 equals 12. And what that would look like would be all the magnets next to one another, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sort of lined up like this. That's how you could represent that. All right. Thank you for watching my video today.